Hi kids, welcome to Learning Kids channel. Today we are going to learn types of truck names. Let's go. Tractor, tractor, pickup truck, pickup truck, fuel truck, fuel truck, tow truck, tow truck, snow plow truck, snow plow truck, fire truck, fire truck, water tank truck, water tank truck, garbage truck, garbage truck, ice cream truck, ice cream truck, semi trailer truck, semi trailer truck, flatbed truck, flatbed truck, dry van truck, dry van truck, box truck, box truck, dump truck, dump truck, crane truck, crane truck, log carrier truck, log carrier truck, refrigerator truck, refrigerator truck, forklift truck, forklift truck, concrete mixer truck, concrete mixer truck, mail truck, mail truck, backhoe truck, backhoe truck, gauge truck, gauge truck, road roller truck, road roller truck, school bus, school bus, excavator, excavator. Bye kids, thank you for watching.